Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This is from Jesse, and Jesse, I cannot remember at all what you sent me. I feel like I say the same thing in every single unboxing, but it's the truth, and I guess that's what makes it fun, is that I don't know what's in here or forgot. We're gonna find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. If you are enjoying the daily knife content on this channel, you'd like to support me too, there is of course a link for my Patreon down in the description. You can get your hands on some cool stickers and other benefits, and please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Thanks to everybody who has been following me, by the way. I found that whatever Instagram uses for their algorithm, like, if I don't show that on YouTube, then my Instagram just doesn't grow. But ever since I started showing that silly little card, my Instagram has grown tremendously. So thank you. Thank you very much for doing that. All right, we're just about in there. This wonderfully packaged box. Thank you very much. How neat. Okay, hang on. I don't want to ruin anything, so I'm taking... Oh my gosh, wait a sec. Is this, like... Are these wrapped? Are these wrapped? Oh, yeah! This is from Lavender Pants. Oh, man. Hey, Lavender Pants. Shout out to your kids. I know your kids watch. Oh my gosh, this is excellent. This is excellent! Oh! Gosh darn it, I want to take a picture now. We have a purple O-light here, of course. From Lavender Pants, thank you very much. Now I'm remembering. God, there's a whole bunch of stuff in here. Dang! Oh man, how cool. Okay, hang on. I'm making sure here. Okay, showing everything in here, and I'm forgetting your kids' names. I'm so sorry. I said I was going to shout them out, but shout out to your kids again, because I know you said that they watched. And yeah, all right. How cool. And they painted me a picture. Awesome. Thank you so much. My kids love Mickey Mouse. We were talking about this the other day on Instagram. We'll take a look at the O-light here in a sec. Let's go ahead and open up the Civivi pouch. And wait. Oh, wait. What do we have here? This is the Andre Thorburn, isn't it? Hang on. Got the note back here. Or I did, and then I set it down. Here we go. Yeah. Andre Thorburn. Oh, Andre Van Heerden, AZ A6 MIDI. Guys, I'm so sorry. This is an unboxing, so this is the first time I've experienced a lot of this stuff. This is beautiful, and this isn't the 100. I don't know which one this is. Oh my gosh, people are gonna be like, you should know, but I don't, because I've never handled it. Right? A couple of weeks from now, you'll get a full comprehensive review of everything, and we'll find out exactly what all these are. Very smooth, very, I don't know if this is like the Kevlar carbon fiber or the, I don't know, some type of weave carbon fiber, and then titanium liner locks. Incredibly smooth. Hand rub satin finish on the blade, obviously. Just gonna have to keep moving here. All right. Hate to tear up this beautiful packaging. What do we have right here? Next one up is, oh yeah. Yeah, Monterey Bay knives. Yeah, cool. Oh, I was so pumped for this one. I love a minimalistic aesthetic, and I knew that I would love this the moment that I laid eyes on it. This is the MBK Old Guard. Very cool. Oh man, how satisfying is that? I love a simple look. That is very, very cool. Very MBK, but you know, the incredibly simple aesthetic just taken to another level. Let's see here. Get into this one. Again, I feel bad. I just don't want to tear these up. And peeling this back. I'm just gonna go ahead and peel it off there. All right. And oh, Wingman EDC. Okay. All right. Here we go. What do we have in here? Handled another version. Oh yeah. Okay, hang on. Can we do it like this? Ooh, beautiful. Let's try front flipping it here real quick. Yeah, absolutely. So this one, let's see. Wingman EDC MTNT Mach 3 Mayo collaboration. Okay, Tom Mayo. Very cool. Love that contoured stonewashed titanium with the bowls on the inside. Very smooth edges on this titanium. Very, very cool. Can't wait to talk about that one. Awesome. I love the access to the opening hole here because you can definitely do the reverse flick and you can definitely do the thumb flick as well. Very nice. Absolutely. Let's go ahead and clear some of this stuff back and get into the largest one here. Go ahead and peel into it. I think actually I'm going to use, there we go, to get underneath there. Awesome. And we have a box. More unboxing to do. Wait, since you lost yours. What? Hang on a sec. What is in here? Okay, this is very interesting. There's so many layers. The intrigue is just killing me, the suspense. Oh my gosh. Dude, how cool is that? Wait a minute. So, okay, story time. When I was a kid, this is amazing. Oh my gosh, the nostalgia. This is so similar to the one that, hang on. Did I throw a piece away? Hang on here. Because we have, I don't know if it's supposed to be a half shield or whatever. He's got part of the shield on him, but listen, when I was a kid, I had a Green Ranger. This is so thoughtful. Oh my gosh, Lavender Pants. Follow this guy on Instagram. Holy cow. Lavender Pants 86 on Instagram. I wonder, do I have an actual, yeah, here we go. Lavender Pants 86 right there. Follow this guy. This guy's amazing. When I was a little kid, I had a Green Ranger toy. And I was in Florida. And the pool that we were at had this weird sort of moat. We were in Naples, Florida, and the pool had like a weird little moat pond thing around it, right? And I was throwing this thing by the leg in the pool and then diving down and getting it and getting it. And I tossed this thing, and it went into this pond moat thing. And it didn't sink in right away that it was gone forever. I remember telling my parents, I was like, hey, I chucked that thing in the water, can we get the net and go get it? And they were like, oh no, it's gone. And it just absolutely devastated me. And to this day, I can only imagine that thing is, who knows, right? I mean, it's plastic, so it's probably still around. It's at the bottom of the, this is amazing, man. I'm so excited. How random. Oh, Lavender Pants made my day. How cool. My son will love that. That's amazing. I'm assuming that was meant for me to keep. If not, of course, I'll send it back. But how cool, man. Nostalgia. All right, guys. We got 3 amazing knives. We've got an Olight. This is the S1R Baton 2. Yeah, the purple edition. I've actually showed this flashlight before, a different version of it. But this is cool. Purple one. That's neat. So we've got 3 amazing knives. Awesome Olight flashlight, and of course the most important element of this entire unboxing, the original. This has to be from like the early '90s. It has to be. I mean, mine was so similar. But anyways, the Green Ranger toy, obviously the highlight of this unboxing. Anyways, guys, I think that's going to be pretty much it today. This is definitely the most unique unboxing I've ever done on this channel. This is amazing. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.